everyone, Queen Jackie here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be starting a 11-day trial. Acne scars, as you can see, they're everywhere on my face and they are not cute. I believe I had these on my face for about like 2 years now. So I did research and I decided to try this out. I got the idea from two females, their YouTubes, link in description down below. Their progress was amazing, but I thought that I should come to you guys to show you guys how I can do this and really show you guys how I clear my face the way they did. As you can see, it's just terrible. So we can get started. Hey, I just washed my hair, don't mind me. So we're gonna start off with Hydro Boost Neutrogena Cleansing Gel. It was recommended to use the aloe, but I couldn't find that, so that's okay. We're just gonna get started with this one. So I'm not using much, just a little, and just lathered it all over my face with some water. It spreads very easily, very quickly. I feel as though it cleanses very quickly as well. And yeah, just gonna dry my face here. So next is a Neutrogena foam cleanser, and this is part of the prepping process before you put on your mask along with the gel cleanser. So it's supposed to foam, so hopefully it does give us that reaction. So again, just use a little bit. When I used this on my face, I saw that the texture was very different, not really foamy, but it did its job, so I was not complaining. Okay, so time for the mask. I put it in this jar kind of thing. It's not really that much. And then you just find a utensil wherever, a clean one of course. And we're just going to use that and put it on the face. Spilt some on my pajamas there. Okay, so this was taking a bit long, so I just decided to go ahead and use my hand. As well, a benefit of using your hand is that at least you can get a bit of a scrub in as you're pasting on the mask on your face, so that way you know you're cleansing. So we've applied day one mask, and I'll see you guys when I wash it off. This is my after mask. Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 3. I apologize because I am sick, but without further ado, let's get started. And I'm going to be using this to remove my makeup. It's from Sephora and it's a makeup remover rag. So I decided to use a face scrubber just because I know that it scrubs better than our fingers. So I've decided to use my fingers instead of using a stick to apply it to my face, just because it's faster this way. This is where I just went right to demasking. So as you can see, my dark spots have been getting lighter over the 5 days I've been using this mask. So by the end of 10 days, most of my dark spots have gone away and a lot of them have lightened up. So as you can see, after 11 days of this trial, my face has not changed completely, but there were some minor changes. This goes to show you that it's not a miracle thing that happens in a week, especially for those with acne prone skin like me. It's definitely going to take longer than 11 days to clear up your skin, but drink lots of water. I prefer it with lemon, and keep on doing your masks. The link to what I used in my mask is in the description below. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope this has helped you guys and inspired you guys to just keep on pushing forward, because hey, my face is not the greatest, but it's my face and that's how I'm living with it.